Hi, I'm Gus from G&G Mechanical Contractors, and today we are in Bellmawr, New Jersey, where we recently installed a 2-zone Bryant Ductless mini split for this DayCare center. Let's go inside and take a look and talk to Beth. So Beth, why don't you tell us a little bit about Little VIPs?
Little VIPs is a family-established daycare that started in 1987 by my mother. We had provided quality childcare for ages 6 weeks to 4, and we were able to open up a new spot to get people off our wait list.
Why did you decide to go with the Bryant Ductless mini splits?
We purchased the building and we knew we were gutting it and needed everything brand new, and you suggested the Ductless mini split. We decided on this system because we had to separate and air 2 separate areas of the rooms. We didn't want to freeze out our office manager, so we could control these better, whether the kids are in the room or not in the room, and it was really cost effective.
And a bonus feature of it is that you don't have to use the unit if you're not in the room.
We were doing comparisons between window units and this. We found that this was better for the sound quality of the room. It cooled it off better. It cools off the whole room, or it heats the whole room, where a window unit just kind of focuses on that one area. And it's prettier than a window unit.
It's a lot prettier. So we decided to go with the Bryant Ductless mini splits here because we had a bigger classroom and then a smaller office, so we wanted to make sure that both rooms could be heated and cooled separately as needed. So if no one's in the office working, they don't have to leave the unit on, which is a great feature. And on the flip side, if there's no kids in the classroom, they can turn that unit down as well to save money on their energy bills. Another great feature about the Bryant Ductless mini splits is they both heat and cool. No matter which season you're in, you'll be comfortable. So how have you liked these units since they've been installed for a year?
Love it. We love that we can control it on our own. We love that we can turn it down gradually during the day, during nap time, and it just works all around.
Yeah, they're very quiet.
I love it so much that I put one in my own home, in my gym.
Yeah, now you can work out every day.
Now I should.
How was the installation process for you?
It was amazing. This was the easiest thing that we installed before the walls went up. It was up quick, took less than 2 days, and working for our contractors that were in here.
That's beautiful. Great to hear. Would you recommend these to someone else if they asked you?
I would 100% recommend these to anybody and suggest that they hire G&G Mechanical.
Thank you so much for watching. If you think this would be a good solution for your home or business, make sure to give us a call.